He melted clocks, married his muse in a ceremony full of eggs and lobsters, and once gave a lecture inside a full diving suit that nearly suffocated him live on stage. Salvador Dalí didn't just paint dreams, he lived like one. Obsessed with his own image, he waxed his mustache into 2 sharp points and called himself a genius before the world agreed. His muse and wife, Gala, appeared in dozens of his works, some tender, some deeply strange. At a 1936 lecture in London, he showed up inside a full diving suit to represent diving into the subconscious. The helmet nearly sealed shut, and he almost passed out on stage before anyone realized something was wrong. He built entire environments around melting objects, floating limbs, and impossible landscapes, turning surrealism into a spectacle as much as a movement. His most famous painting, The Persistence of Memory with its melting clocks, is smaller than a sheet of paper. Who's next?